Companies are coming out with vaccine mandates. They say it's necessary because of how aggressively COVID-19 is spreading right now.
As you could probably guess, that's getting some pushback. This morning, a group is planning to protest Baptist Health's mandate at its E-Town location, and that's where Brooke is this morning. Hey, Brooke.
Good morning, Rob. Earlier this week, Baptist Health joined both U of L Health and Norton Healthcare in requiring most of their employees to get the vaccine by a certain date. A lot of that information is still ongoing at this time, and you've heard praise, and now you're seeing the pushback again with that protest happening today. With Baptist Health, they've already told us that roughly 65 to 70% of their employees have already received the shot. But that group that is protesting today is going to be down here in Hardin County outside Baptist Health. They are calling it a protest for medical freedom, supporting people both regardless of whether or not they get the vaccine. Dozens of people responded to the Facebook event saying they plan to go, and in a Facebook Live, the organizer, Brittany Smith, said they want everyone working at the hospital to stay with their patients, but those who can come out to do so. Baptist is expected to release more information on its vaccine later this week, including some medical and religious exemptions. Now, aside from the hospital systems, just yesterday, Tyson Foods announced it'll require its workers to be vaccinated against COVID as well. It said frontline workers like the ones at the plant over in Cordon, Indiana, will have to get their shots by November 1st, but did say they're still working out the specifics with the unions. And that would be the United Food and Commercial Workers, which represents many Tyson workers. It's been criticizing the requirement because the vaccine does not have full FDA approval. Now, if you are wondering if a vaccine mandate could be set up for all of Jefferson County around Louisville, Mayor Greg Fisher said just yesterday that can't happen.
We don't have the legal authority to require organizations where you have to get people vaccinated. I mean, we're using all the influence we have in terms of communicating to make sure that that's taking place, but we cannot mandate that community-wide.
Churchill Downs Incorporated also now requiring employees to get vaccinated. An internal memo was sent out to employees who work at their Eastern Jefferson County corporate headquarters as well as the Twin Spires headquarters. It said anyone unvaccinated will be required to show proof of that first dose by August 16th with the second dose before September 13th. Now, the U.S. Department of Justice did issue a legal opinion earlier on saying that businesses and hospital systems like Baptist have the legal authority to mandate these vaccines, but they also said that people have the responsibility to tell them and be informed about their ability to consent or deny a vaccination. In terms of that protest here in Hardin County outside Baptist Health, it's expected to start about 9 o'clock this morning.